emergency meeting, emergency high-level ministerial meeting, was quickly organized to bring together the countries within East Africa as well as West Africa that have had an experience in handling Ebola. And the main purpose is for us to discuss cross-border collaboration and preparedness, because as all of you are aware, Ebola can move very quickly from one country to another. As you have seen it moving from one district to now 5 districts in Uganda. Indeed, it has been a 1 month of great experience, because today we make 24 days since the declaration. And within these 24 days, we have had overwhelming support from the chairperson of the National Task Force, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, and also the overall chair, His Excellency the President. But we have also had overwhelming support from our partners.
Tulutadde ku level ndala, tutaddemu amawanga ga Africa gonna saawa zino gali wano ku meeting ey'amangu okulaba nga tweteekateeka butya bwe tulwanisa obulwadde buno okusukka ku Uganda yokka, okulaba nga obulwadde tebuva wano ate kweyongerayo walala. But of course mukimanyi nti Uganda ina experience mu kulwanisa obulwadde buno okuviira ddala ku bwa siriimu. Buto tugenda mu Ebola w'2012 12 mujjukira ali Kibaale, biseera byonna ali MP w'Ekibaale, ate ne juzi mu 2019 Kasese. Na luno tujja kubulinnya ku nsolobotto olw'ensonga nti Katonda tuli naye ate tulina abakugu ab'enjawulo abali mu mulimo guno.
Honorable Minister, you talked on the vaccines. The vaccines that are going to come in the trial drugs that are coming in the next 1 to 2 weeks. We want more details about that.
You people, Uganda is not spoken in an emergency. When it is an emergency, you speak English. So allow me to speak English.
No problem.
Okay.